Roshita, what do you think? So that you can see that day by day, the class is just filling by the students and the crowd is increasing. So, what do you think that does it affect on your study?
No, sir, because there are when the crowd is there and it didn't affect with for me because I speak with my friends in English, so I don't think that the crowd affects my studies. And it is very good for us then when the crowd is there, so we can speak very well with them also. Um,
Because most of the students think like this, oh, there are so much crowd in the class, how can I learn English? So do you also think like this, that day by day more boys and girls are coming to learn English in this class and the area is very limitation here to there. So have you ever thought like this, ki, I should leave this class, there are many crowds here.
no, sir, I didn't think like that.
So what would you like to say for those people who thinks like this, oh, the class is very crowd, I should not join here?
Don't think like that because when the crowd is there, you can speak with them also, and it is your practice for that you can speak with them in English, and your speaking skill uh, more increasing for
Means in spoken class you would like to say speak like this, that in a spoken class it will be good for us when we'll talk more peoples, more boys and girls than other classes. And how is this class for you when you joined?
I didn't.
How is the class for you when you joined? Because there are many classes in BHILAI.
I joined this class because I like your technique because you take personal class for us, and said you take you take personal classes, and you if we didn't understand anything, you explain the things very again you explain about that.
Okay, since when have you been learning English?
I'm learning English for 5 months.
So is it helping you in your daily life?
Yes.
How is it?
Sir, in my school there is principal. I have to talk with him also in English, and teacher asks questions in English. I have to answer in English. That it is helping in my daily life.
Okay, nice talking to you, Fatima.
Me too.